Deep within tropical forests, hidden beneath leaves and moss, lives a fungus that turns its victims into living puppets. Its name is Cordyceps. At first, it appears harmless, just a microscopic fungal spore drifting through the air. But when one of these spores lands on the body of an ant, something extraordinary begins. The spore attaches itself to the ant's outer shell and slowly penetrates inside. Once established, the fungus spreads throughout the insect's body, feeding on nutrients while carefully keeping its host alive. For days, the ant behaves almost normally. Then, something changes. The infected ant abandons its colony and begins a final journey. It climbs to a specific height where temperature and humidity are ideal for the fungus. When it reaches this location, the ant locks its jaws onto a stem in what scientists call the death grip. And then it dies. But for the fungus, the story is only beginning. Days later, a stalk erupts from the ant's body and grows toward the light. At its tip, millions of new spores develop, and the cycle begins again. For years, scientists believed the fungus directly controlled the ant's brain, but modern research suggests something even stranger. Instead, the fungus releases a complex cocktail of chemicals that alters the insect's muscles, nervous system, and behavior, effectively steering the host like a biological puppet while leaving much of the brain intact. It is one of the most sophisticated examples of parasitic manipulation ever discovered. Cordyceps is a reminder that in nature, power does not always belong to the strongest organism. Sometimes it belongs to the one pulling the strings.